This is one of the most famous cases in American law. Helen Palsgraf was waiting on the platform of the Long Island Railroad to take her children to Rockaway Beach. Another train was pulling away from the platform when two men came running. One of them jumped aboard, but the second mistimed his jump. A conductor on the train grabbed him, and a conductor on the platform gave him a push. As a result, the man boarding the train dropped a package he'd been carrying. The package contained fireworks, and it exploded. The explosion caused chaos, and in the chaos, a large coin-operated scale fell over, hitting and injuring Mrs. Palsgraf. She sued the railroad and was awarded $6,000. The railroad appealed. The appeals court was split 4-3. Chief Judge Benjamin Cardozo, later a justice of the US Supreme Court, wrote the majority opinion. He found the railroad was not liable because it was impossible for the railroad to have foreseen the extraordinary chain of events which injured Mrs. Palsgraf. He wrote, "If no hazard was apparent to the eye of ordinary vigilance, an act innocent and harmless, at least to outward seeming, with reference to her, did not take to itself the quality of a tort because it happened to be a wrong with reference to someone else. In every instance, before negligence can be predicated of a given act, there must be sought and found a duty to the individual complaining, the observance of which would have averted or avoided the injury." Judge William Andrews wrote a powerful dissent. He said that if there was a negligent act, in this case the conductor shoving the passenger onto the train, then the negligent party should be responsible for all the harm where that negligent act was the proximate cause. He wrote, "The proposition is this. Everyone owes to the world at large the duty of refraining from those acts that may unreasonably threaten the safety of others. Such an act occurs. Not only is he wronged to whom harm might reasonably be expected to result, but he also who is in fact injured, even if he be outside what would generally be thought the danger zone." To this day, in American negligence law, some states follow the Cardozo doctrine of reasonable foreseeability, and other states follow the Andrews doctrine of proximate cause.